Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining in. And if you're new to this channel, I want to give you a special welcome and thank you for dropping in and visiting with me today. This is a channel where I upload a variety of content, which includes mostly DIYs, home decor, some cooking and organization, as well as family and inspiration videos. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you how I refresh, switched around, changed up some things here on my Credenza in my formal dining room area. Now, I have refurbished 2 items for this area I've had for a minute, and I like to go around and shop in my home first before I go to the store. And so I did found two items that I would like to that I refurbished for this area. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell, and click that button to like this video. So come on in and let me share with you how I refresh this for the summer. First off, guys, I am starting out with showing you the item that I refurbished, and this is a metal vase that I've had for quite some time, for about 5 or 6 years, and it was a darker color, and you can see all of the embroidery and all of the detail that's on here, and I spray painted it white about 2 years ago, and now here I'm showing you how I'm adding in some gold paint, and then I'm using a regular gold metallic acrylic paint on here, and then I'm going to go back over it again with a gold metallic that has gold leafing inside of it as well. So this is the item that I'm refurbishing, and I've had it for quite some time, and I went around in my home and found these vases to use. So this is the DIY, and if you would like to check out the complete DIY, it's a short that I have uploaded as well onto my channel to show you exactly everything that I've done. So the first thing I did to style this credenza is remove the spring painting that I had here in this area, and I replaced it with these 3 pieces of art, and I took them down from my upstairs foyer area where they were hanging for about a couple of years and just used them here. And then I'm using this sheer runner to soften this credenza up to help make it feel a lot softer, as well as you see here I've already put the vases here as well. So guys, I am bringing back my gold tray and this decorative plate that I've had on here prior, and I added in over here for spring, and I'm going to use it again now for my summer decor as well. And I'm just going to add in this beaded garland to give it a little more decoration inside the tray. Now, to decorate these vases, I'm going to bring back these pampas pieces that I've had in the clear vases that was up here before, and I just took out the flowers that was in there to match the painting that I had up on the wall. And also, I'm bringing back these hurricane vases, the one that has the gold on them. I had them up here prior, and they're older vases that I've had, but I really like them. And I have 2 other sets of hurricane vases, so I'm going to use these over here for this particular area. And I'm going to add in some candles in these vases. Put a set of blue candles in one set of the hurricane vases, and then I'm going to add in some gold ones. Now for these picture frames, I really want to use them this year because they're gold. I think they would go perfect in this area, as well as I love the detail on there because of the seashells. And usually for the summer, my summer decor, I use more of the beach theme and the seashells, but I switched it up this year. Now for this space, guys, I used to have my bar set up in this area in front of the window, but I switched it out with this table. And everything that I have here is pretty much the same pieces. I've used that tray and my vase that I had also on this table, and I just swapped out a few of the other pieces from another area. So it's nothing really new there. Just gave it a new look because it was in a new space. And join me in my next video. I'm going to share with you where I moved my bar and how I rearranged and changed my setting on my dining room table for summer. So join me in my next video next week for that. So that is it for this one, guys. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so you can get notification on all of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.